This is an invitation for you to participate in the unfoldment of you. So I call this a mastery meditation or an awakening meditation. So this is an invitation for you to start your day in a manner which you use that day for personal awakening. Many miss themselves because they fail to participate in the unfoldment of themselves every day. They miss them. They may meet life, meet their day, but they miss meeting them in that day. So this morning meditation, mastery meditation, is for you to contemplate, participate deliberately and consciously in your awakening. The first meditation I want you to begin with. As I am, what am I holding up? This is the first question I'm going to put to you. As I am, what am I holding up? This is a very powerful question you ask yourself. As you are, what are you holding up? As you are, you may hold life is beautiful. As you are, you may hold life is amazing. As you are, you may hold life is a celebration of the creation of being you. But many miss this question. As you are, what are you holding up? Or as I am, what am I holding up? You are asking this question to yourself this morning. Or you may also choose to ask the question, as I am this morning, what do I choose to hold up? Contemplate on this and spend the day, if you can, in this consciousness, in this effort, in this sadhana, which is deliberately holding up what you choose to hold up.